everyone. This video is about starting a new journey where I will be starting a series where I'll be mostly working with systematic trading and investment. This will be fully automated decision making via systematic process or a systematic strategic plans. And I'll be creating a series from zero to advanced. And this will be also the first time for me because I have not done something like this before. And this will be a journey for me as well as you if you want to join in. And this is the first video I will be posting, which is to give you a brief introduction about what is systematic trading and investing and how we can automate our investment plans and systematic on trading decisions over time so that we don't have to put manual work from our side. Before that, I would like to introduce myself and give a brief background about what I have done previously and why I'm trying to do this kind of systematic trading series where I will be learning with you. First thing, I'm a researcher. I'm a researcher who writes papers and do structural research in my profession. And I'm also a digital engineer where I try to automate a lot of stuff which are boring manual tasks which needs to be automated so that there is less manual overhead. And I'm also a swing trader and investors, and I invest in crypto, stocks and ETFs, etc. And I love investing, and that's my one hobby that I'll always like to follow. So as I said, I love trading and investing, and that's my passion. But I hate manual work in trading. I like looking at charts, but I never like drawing charts and investigating charts over and over a period of time. And so I'm starting this journey with you to automate a lot of stuff. So I had an idea. Let's automate trading from end to end and let's remove emotional decision making from it so that we can automate a lot of stuff. Why I'm starting the journey? Basically to avoid manual analysis, which is very tiring, and to build a long, robust process which can last me for multiple years and I don't have to repeat the same manual task again and again. If you want to do the same, then you can join the journey. For this journey, I will be mostly focusing on automation using systematic trading strategies and long-term investment as well. So what is systematic trading and investing? Systematic trading is nothing but a predefined rule-based process where we automate models to make trading decisions for ourselves, removing the manual decision making from it. This in terms removes the human emotion and bias towards a particular asset and gives us a more statistical and data driven strategies. The steps that I will be implementing in this series is mostly to develop a strategy, define clear trading strategies and investment strategies based on market data, and try to backtest those data using historical data and test our strategy whether they are generating enough profits. The first step in systematic trading, I will be developing strategies and define clear trading and investment strategies based on market data. And I will be picking up some of the most used or most highlighted trading strategies, which will be used as a test or framework initially so that we can test out our end-to-end process. The second thing I will be doing is backtesting those strategy against the real prehistoric data. And test our strategy whether it's generating enough profits or whether the strategy is good enough for a particular asset class. Then I will simulate this kind of strategies on real pay or real environment so that we can check if we are able to predict the movement of the market according to the strategy. And last will be obviously live trading, which will be done once we have gathered enough information and knowledge about it. And there will be always a review process where we have to update or upgrade our models based upon newer strategies and newer trends, and this is a continuous learning process that we have to take over a period of time. For a time being, I will be looking at following strategies, which is like the macro trend North Star, which is based on 250 days SMA, and mostly the golden cross momentum 50 to 250 SMA intersection, and then RSI mean reversion, oversold dip buying, etc. Then short-term momentum switching like 20 days SMA, and then bear market hedge and volatility filter, etc. And this all will be done on Bitcoin to test the initial strategies first, and then we will apply it to other asset classes. So let's see if our strategy works on Bitcoin charts, because this strategy is basically for other asset class, but I have just taken it for experimental purpose. And over time, we will add on or maybe remove some strategies based upon the performance of our backtesting models. If you want to join the journey, then I will be dropping weekly updates on what I've been doing and how I'm automating my own stuff so that you can keep up with me if you want to join the journey. See you later.